In this video, I'll demonstrate how to draw a house plan in AutoCAD. Now I'm resizing this such that I can see the plan which I'm going to draw here in a separate PDF file. So this particular plan I want to draw here in AutoCAD. So the first command in AutoCAD is here this plan is in feet and inches. So here to get the feet and inches, so in AutoCAD use the units command. Take units command. Here default units are decimal units. Now change this to architectural units to get feet and inches. Now you are getting the display in feet and inches. Here this you change it to inches. Click on OK. So after that go to the limits command. Limits. So bottom left corner is 0, 0. Upper right corner is here. So this length is 30 feet 6 inches. So this height is some 29 feet. So that's why here this upper right corner I will fix as some 50 feet, comma some 40 feet. Enter. Limits into this screen area. Go to the zoom command. Zoom. Enter. A. Enter. Zoom all. Then automatically all the limits will be fitted into the screen. Next. I will start drawing with this particular rectangle. So go to the rectangle command. So in this video, maximum extent I will use the command prompt. So there are many ways to activate the commands. You can use the ribbons or toolbars in the previous versions, or you can use the menu browser in this version. In this version you can use the menu browser, or in the previous versions you can use the menu. But here I will use the command prompt, which is general for all the versions. So here I am taking the rectangle command. RAC is the shortcut. Bottom left corner is 0, 0. Enter. So upper right corner. To get the upper right corner, use @ symbol. @ 30 feet 6 inches. 30 feet 6 inches. Comma. This is 29 feet. 29 feet. So this is the rectangle. So we can pan it to our required position. So this particular outer rectangle is now generated. Assume this wall thickness as 6 inches. This wall thickness as 4 inches. So to get this wall, go to the offset command. Go to offset O. Enter. Offset distance is 6 inches. 6 inches. 6 inches. Okay. Now select this object rectangle and click inside, such that we can get the offset inside of the rectangle. If you click outside, you will get offset outside. So I want to get offset inside. So click inside point. Now another rectangle is generated at a distance of 6 inches. Click enter to close this command. Okay. Next, I want to complete this particular area first. Okay. So this dimension also I want to represent. Before going here, I want to represent this dimension. So that is 30 feet 6 inches. For that, go to dimensions and take linear. Dim lean is the command. DIMLIN. Then click this point and click this point. Then you can get the dimension. But this dimension is not in this style. Zoom it and observe. Zoom this. So this is not like this. So again go back. Zoom previous. Go to the zoom previous position. Now I want to change the dimension style. So go to dim style. STYLE, dim style. Once you go to the dim style command, this dialog box will be displayed. So in this dialog box, create a new dimension style. Click on new. So this dimension style I am giving as a dim underscore house plan. Any name you can give, dim underscore house plan. Continue. In fit I want to increase this size overall scale 2 times, so you can enter 2 here. Then go to the primary units. Here in the primary units, instead of decimal, select architectural. Then this particular notation will be displayed. Then coming to the lines, here extension lines are not there. Here extension lines are not there. That's why suppress the extension lines. And arrows are also not here. These are in the form of obliques. So go to the architectural tick like this. Go to architectural tick. Then click on OK. Then this particular dimension style I want to keep as the current style. That's why select this. Click on set current. Then close. Now this is with the previous style. Delete this. Now again go to dim linear. Then select this point and this point. Then dimension will be displayed, but this is still not visible, so that's why again go to dim style. Then select this. Now click on modify. Go to fit. Increase this to 3.5 times. Then click on OK. Set current, close. Now it is visible. Check this dimension. This is 29. Then again go to dim linear. This point and this point. So this is 29. Okay. Now I want to complete this particular portion. So this area is 4 along this x direction and 6 feet 6 inch along y direction. That's why now take line command. L, enter. I don't want to draw the line from here. I want to drag this point to 6 feet 6 inches. First go to the line command. Then don't select any point. Then go to TK, tracking point. Now select this as first tracking point. From that point onwards, enter 6 feet 6 inches. Enter. Now the control is somewhere here. Now press enter. Then tracking point is over. Now press F8 for keeping this in horizontal position. The length is 4 feet plus 6 feet 10 feet plus 2 walls are there. Each wall thickness is 4 inches, 4 inches, 8 inches. So 10 feet 8 inches. This length is 10 feet 8 inch. 10 feet 8 inch. Okay. Next, click somewhere here. Now take offset. Wall thickness is 4 inches. Like this. Like this. Next, again offset this to 6 feet. Again offset. Now distance is 6 feet. Offset this particular line to 6 feet. Now offset this line to 4 inch. 4 inch. Now zoom this area. Z, enter. Select a box like this. Now this particular area will be highlighted. Now stretch this line up to here. Okay. Unwanted area can be removed using the trim command. TR, enter, and enter. 2 times enter. Now select this area, this particular segment, this particular segment, this particular segment, and this segment. Now draw a line somewhere here, but this is not here, this is at some distance. So move this. Go to move command M, enter. Select this line, click here and move this to move take this as base point, take the distance as 6 inches. Okay. Now copy this line, copy this to a distance of 3 feet. I am assuming that this door is having a width of 3 feet. This is the width. Then go to trim command, tr, enter, again enter, select this and this line. Okay. Next copy. So if you select from left to right, the object completely enclosed will be selected. If you select like this, objects just touching the boundary, all the objects will be selected. That's why I'm selecting in this direction. Select this and this. Then copy. This is the base point. Copy that somewhere here. Then move this line and this line to the center, some distance somewhere here. Now take trim command and trim this line and this line. Now this is the puja room. This is another room. So here I want to enter the text. So go to text command, text, enter the text height, something like this. Then enter the angle is 0 only. Then type this as puja. Double enter. Then move this to the center. Then copy this, something like this. Then edit it, ed is for text edit. This is 4 feet into 6 feet 6 inch. You can move it like this. Next copy this to the next room, copy, then edit. This is another room, this is 6 feet by 6 feet 6 inches. You can align this like this. So this portion is over. Now zoom extend. Now go to somewhere here this door. So to get that door, zoom this particular area, then copy. I'll select these two, I'll keep them somewhere here to get this door. So here this is 4-inch wall, this is 6-inch wall. That's why you are getting a small gap here. So to overcome this problem, use the extend command. Ex extend, ex enter, then select this particular line. That means up to that line we want to extend. Then press enter, then select this line and this line, this side. Okay. Now take trim command, tr, double enter, trim this all, zoom all. So from here, kitchen dimensions are 10 feet by 6 by 6. Extend this line. From here you track it. From here you just track like this. Then draw a line like this. Then take offset 4 inches. Something like this. Now draw a line. From here this distance is 10. So go to TK. Keep the mouse like this. This distance is 10 feet. Now control is somewhere here. Control is here. Now enter. Click here. Offset this like this. Now trim this. In trim command, if required, cutting edges can be selected like this. Otherwise, press enter, then all are selected as cutting edges. Then zoom this particular area and trim this, pan it like this, trim this. Next, another door is required here, so copy this door, F8 off, somewhere here you will get the door. Now rotate it, RO, enter, select these two, select somewhere here and rotate these to 90